Welcome to the Sourcing Certifications Question of the Week. My name is David Gowie, and in this feature, I answer real questions about sourcing from our audience. This week's question comes from an anonymous requester without a fun abbreviation, who asks, "Can you help with some confusion about custom search engines? I have heard they can be useful in sourcing, but do not understand how that works. How do you set one up? When would you use a custom search engine instead of a Google search? Look forward to your response." Great questions, Arwafa. Let's start with why, and then move on to how. You've probably seen variations on this technique before, using the site operator to scan profiles on networks like LinkedIn from a search engine. For some sites, searching only the profiles is more straightforward. LinkedIn, for example, has unique URL patterns like /in that we can include in our site command. Other sites may contain a certain word or phrase that appears only on member profiles, which we can target with quoted phrases, or in profile page titles, which we can target with in title. But other sites don't make it so easy. AngelList, for example, has no consistent pattern in profile URLs, titles, or even the text appearing on the page, so the search results are very mixed. This is where a simple CSE can make our lives easier. CSEs provide a feature that makes it easy to target profiles on many sites, the ability to search based on schema.org data. Schemas are a way for website owners to put in visible information in their pages that tells search engines what those pages are about. That may sound complicated, but don't worry. We don't have to understand all the details. All we have to remember is that this information exists, and we can search for it with CSEs. To show you how that works, the first step is to create a new custom search engine from the dashboard at cse.google.com. Click on New Search Engine and enter the basic information, one or more sites to search for results, and a name for this CSE. Let's use AngelList and CSE Question of the Week. Then click Create. If all we needed was a quick way to X-ray or site search AngelList, we could stop now and just go to the public URL. But we still need a way to target user profiles. So let's go back to the CSE dashboard. Click on Edit Search Engine, then Setup. For this demonstration, we could ignore most of the options. The default settings will work just fine. The only one we need to change is at the bottom, under Restrict Pages using schema.org types. Enter Person in the text box, and then click Update. Now our CSE knows that it should only show results that the website owner has tagged as containing information about a person. Let's open up the public URL again and see what's changed. This is what the results looked like before we added the person filter. And here are the results now. As you can see, all of the results point directly to user profiles, and all we had to do was change a single setting. To review, among other benefits, CSEs provide a way to simplify complex site searches, as well as to access features Google.com doesn't provide, like filtering based on schema.org objects. You can create a useful CSE in just a few simple steps. Pick a target site and name, create the CSE, then edit the setup options to filter by the person schema object. If the site uses schema objects, your results will now include only those pages about people, that is, the ones most useful in sourcing. Hope that helps, Arwafa. We've also published additional examples of custom search engines for sourcing on the Sourcing Certifications website and the Boolean Strings blog. Want to become a custom search engines expert yourself? Consider taking our 90-minute class, which provides an in-depth look at the what, why, and how of creating your own CSEs. And that's all for this week. If you'd like your question featured in a future episode, please comment on this video or email your question to help@sourcingcertification.com. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Take care, and see you next time.